Okay, hello. So I want to do like a shorter version of the video that I had. It's just because it was just a video of me just doing the whole thing. So you can watch this, but I'm going to show you just like really briefly. Okay, so I want to show you the um, template that I used. So this is a real simple freebie. Get your freebie up, out. Okay. So grab attention, the hook, what problem, and these are things that you can put in ChatGPT. And also, I'm pretty sure Sadie has some prompts that she has shared with everyone. Okay, so, and then you want a call to action, and then I have this for like 4 ways that they're struggling, because you always want to solve a problem with your freebie opt-in. Okay, so here they're struggling with this, and then make sure you have your bio up there, and then another mock-up if you want, and then the form. So this is just a basic one. Okay, and then I think on the bottom, yep, we have, you want to put your logo and things like that. So very basic. So now I want to show you what mine looks like. Okay. And we are going to go back. And anytime that you want to look at what you've been working on recently, you can just click on that little clock. And then this is my freebie page. And let's see here. Let's go ahead and look at it. And then I'll go inside. Oh, okay. Need to fix the image size. That's way too big. So, all right, let's go ahead and go inside first. Let's just go ahead so that we can edit a few things, and then you can see what I did. Okay, so the first thing I did was I went in and I changed the background. So I changed the background to white instead of the pink that it was. So that's where you would do that. Here you can also put in an image if you want, but I just stuck with white because I have really bright colors. So, all right. So, and then right over here, the typography, you can put your fonts and links and all that. This is just because it was my brand at the moment. So you have that. Okay, so I changed. Now I could have did the whole background in this teal, but I didn't want that because I wanted some white space, and I only wanted the top to be colorful. So that's just a preference of mine. So you do what you want to do. All right. So I changed to a lighter color, but then I also and where I changed this color was you click and it's the whole green. You see that the green is highlighted and it's a background color, and I just put the color there. And that's about all that needed to be there. And then I put my hook and my to catch their attention. And then I had a subheading, and then I put a little bit more of what it was. And then I have the guide here, and it's at 500. Yeah. Okay. All right. So it doesn't look as big on here. So this I could do with. And then here I did a darker color just to highlight it a little bit more. And I also, let's see here. I also connected the image just in case, because I put grab this today. On the right hand side, under general, under image, I say scroll to element, and I have them scroll to the forms, just in case someone clicks on a picture. You always kind of want the pictures to go and do something, okay? All right, so, and then the button I changed the color, and you just click on it and background color just like that. You can do bold, you can you don't have to have bold, you can have thin. So it's whatever works for you, okay? And then the font size, and then subtext, we don't have that, so we don't have to worry about that. And then we don't have any icons right there, and then the color. And then here is the text options. You always want to have a call to action on your buttons. And then also the button needs to go to the form as well. So scroll to element and form. All right. And then I highlighted, instead of it being colored, I highlighted the main headline, and then these are the struggles I feel people have about Facebook posting. And then I put in my bio, and I'm going to show you something. So if you get a bio and you really like it, and you're like, yeah, I want to have this on every single one, highlight the whole thing, and it's usually the green, like green lines and green little things on the side. And what you want to do is you want to come over here and save, right? It's right under the settings icon, and you just go save settings. And I'm going to put Pam's gold bio, so I know. And then I'm going to add it. There's two places. You can add it to the template, which will then save it to, or you can use it on pretty much all of the things. Global sections would just be this one. So I'm going to go template, and I'm going to save it. So then next time I'm building a landing page, I can just go over here to this, go to, where's the saved? Hold on, where is it? Oh, I guess you have to, oh, sorry, you have to pick the, so section templates, and it will be down, but okay, there we go, Pam's gold bio, and you would just like click it and bring it over like that. So anytime that you find that you're going to be reusing blocks, just save it, and it will be saved in here to section templates. I was searching for templates, didn't realize section templates. So okay, all right, so we have that. And then I just did a background color on this just to hide. So you can see that there's a couple different. The blue is the column, or the orange is the words. Okay, so the purple is the whole like the whole column thing. So you just have to kind of maneuver and get used to all that. But I did the purple, that's the box, and I did the background color, and there really isn't much more. And then the font, I did bold, and then the size. And then I added these things in because ChatGPT gave me some great info. So I decided to add these in, and it's fine with me. I didn't add any other pictures because I felt like that was enough for me. Now, I could have added a picture to the top of the font if I wanted to. I'm not going to overthink everything and do that. You're more than welcome to have a couple images, okay? And this is the form. And if you have to edit the form, just click and then it will bring it up on the right hand side. It says edit form, and then it will take you to the form, and you just edit, and then you'll refresh, and it will be the new one. And then down below, I put my logo, and that is just adding. You just image, and then I actually went to my brand board where I have my logos. And if you made a brand board in Subtrio, then it'll already be a folder. So, and then I have my, my logo right there. And I just added it like there. Also, let's grab this link. I'm going to get the link because we are going to add it to something. So, and then I added in my social media, and you just click on these for the edits, and it's just real easy. You just add in the links. Okay, so there's that. And then you always want to save it. And then another video, I walk you through the metadata. And we're not going to worry about these links right here. Here you can add tags if you want. Just make sure that you know what you're doing. Okay, so I'm just going to leave as is because I'm not very familiar with that, and I just want to make sure that I do it correctly. So I'm just going to let that go at the moment. This is a freebie. All right, so but I'm not telling you not to do it, so don't say that. Okay, I'm just saying I need to look into it because that's a new little thing. It used to just say tags. Okay, so I'm going to publish it because you need to publish it every time you change. Every time you change something, you need to publish it. All right, and then we're going to go back. And remember how I went to the media and I got the link for my logo? I'm going to go over to settings over here. And I already have it there, but I'm going to show you again. I'm just going to put the URL for my logo right there so that when we open these pages, this page, then we have a little icon. Okay. So, and then I attached it to my shop domain one, and you can, when you have a domain like my shop one, you can attach product after product after product. You're not just going to use this one time. This is for all products that you want to have. And then they just have a different path. But I show you how to fill those out in another video. All right, so that is how you have a video that walks, it's like long, over 30 minutes. I think it's over 40 minutes. So you have that. You have this brief one right here, and then you have one that will walk you through the all these the meta and changing links out. Okay, so thank you very much. And now we are going to do the, let's see here, the upsell. Now, if you do not have a membership or another product that you want to upsell, then your thank you page will just be like the upsell to go join your Facebook group. Okay. So if you don't have a Facebook group, then maneuver them over to your website, some kind of some kind of action that you want them to take. So I already have an upsell And all I did was clone it. So, and I brought it over to this funnel step. And then my next thing would be a thank you page. So that's what our next thing will be, is a thank you page. Okay. Thank you very much.